This video guide will walk you through the effective management of status groups in your website's admin area. Commence by logging into your website's admin area, your hub for managing various aspects of your online platform. Once logged in, navigate to the settings, then proceed to Order Status, and click on the Status Groups tabs. Utilize the drop-down menu to filter status groups based on their type, whether related to orders or subscriptions, and use the quick search feature to find statuses by name. With simple clicks, you can add new status groups, edit existing ones, or remove outdated ones, aligning your order management with your business needs. When adding or editing a status group, leverage various customization options. Set status type, specify whether it's for orders or subscriptions. Define group name, provide a clear, descriptive name for your status group. Choose status color, opt for a color for quick visual recognition. Bind to order evaluation state, link the status group to specific order states, from pending to partially canceled. Pre-allocate order products, decide if products should be temporarily pre-allocated, enhancing inventory accuracy. Enable Google Analytics, choose to send data to Google Analytics for insightful analysis. Now you can make your order management system more efficient and finely tuned to your unique business requirements. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your online platform.